A beautiful way to take photos of your dress is to make a layout photo. Showing off some specific details of the dress, this sort of photo makes your piece look extra beautiful. Gather some inspiration photos of what exactly you want to show off in your garment, and let's set it up. Lighting is of course one of the most important factors here, so make sure your setup is by a window, a balcony, or put up some lights. Preferably off-white instead of blue or yellow, but we can change that later in editing. Of course, pressing or steaming your garment gives a more professional look. Lay out your piece on a table or the floor. You can use paper or fabric as a background. And set up some related pretty things next to it, following the rule of thirds to balance out the composition.